Hey guys, Twism with Honest Reviews. In this episode, we're going to unbox and look at what comes in the Apple Airpods. Stay tuned. The Apple Airpods come in a white, elegant, typical Apple case that is very simplistically packed, but yet it has a certain beauty to it, and the white definitely helps. Case isn't very big. It's about 4 inches by 4 inches by 2 inches, and like I said, in typical Apple style, it's just a simplistic build. It's very elegant, and that's typically what Apple likes to do. The manuals that you get with it are a user manual. You also get a safety and handling, and you get the 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty manual in the Apple box there. The AirPods themselves come wrapped in a plastic, easily pull apart protective case, and the AirPod case itself is sleek and simple. It comes with the 2 earbuds in it, one for left and one for right. You also get about a 3-foot lightning USB cable. As you can see, the inside has little prongs that'll charge. It is also magnetic, so it's easy to take them in and out. Cable itself is just your typical Apple lightning cable. It does not come with an adapter, and you can use whatever adapter you have on hand or purchase a separate one. And then of course one end will plug into the Apple AirPods themselves, and the other will plug into either your computer to charge, or it will plug into the adapter. The top is all magnetic, and it clicks back and forth. Very sturdy build. You can tell that they're quality. These typically run about $140 off of Amazon. And as you take the earbuds out, you can pair them with any of your devices. The case itself fits easily in your pocket and is shaped very nice. It's about 2 inches by 2 inches by about maybe an inch. It has an indicator light to show how the case is charging itself. And once again, you get the magnetic features there. You got to get them in the right spot. So the right will go into your right when you're looking at it, and that's set up, and the left will go into the left slot. And then it'll also show you on the light if the earbuds themselves are charging. On the back there is also, it's hard to see here, but there's also a button you can press to connect it to an Android device. So the AirPods, even though they're made by Apple, not only connect to Apple products, but they connect to other stuff as well, other electronics. They're similar in the way they're made and their fit and form to the regular earbuds that come with most Apple stuff. They also come with a long stem, and the stem kind of hangs down your ear there, and the metal part fits into the bottom where it charges, and you can see the magnetic there. And the top and the earbuds themselves are all magnetic, so they click back into themselves. The setup is very nice, very simplistic. It arrived nicely from Amazon, and it looks like a good product. Thank you all for watching, and please please hit the subscribe button. It is in your lower right hand corner of the video, and turn notifications on.